Hello comrades, so here's how we can animate a character. Here's our character. As you can see, it's more or less just like a dummy model, and it has its rig set up. So what we should do, we should go to mixamo.com. Here's how it looks like once you log in. And we should upload our character. Yep. Here. So the character is uploading. Once we finish the upload, we can apply the libraries that they have to our character. So he can do, for example, jumping down animation or any animation from Longbow Locomotion Pack. There's a lot of different options. So let's see some of them. Here is our character, and here he plays idle animation more or less. Yep. Let's do some dying animation. Oh yeah, that looked nice. Capoeira pack. There's 39 animations in Capoeira pack. That's a big one, it actually takes a while. Let's just switch to hip hop dancing. Yeah, and I think that's good enough. So we can change some parameters. Here's arm space for the character. You can see how here he just moves his hands pretty wide, and here it's pretty close to the character. Yep. Range probably also does something. Yeah, that's how much he steps out. And overdrive, I guess it's the speed. Yep. So once we select our animation, let's download it. With skin, FBX, you can play with the settings. So here's our animation. Let's download it. We can rename it to dance. Apply. Okay, so here's the animation itself. Let's just drag it onto character. And if we go to window, animation, we can see our animation and we can play it on the character. Yep. So let's try to run it and see if it works. Yep, our character dances. So this way you can basically download any animation from the packs that they have. That's the fastest way, especially if you want to just create a character and make him move pretty. I really recommend it. And you can use Unity's animation rigging to override them and make your custom character animations. I hope you enjoyed.